Okay, quick look through Wednesday's end of day closing screens, and that was a pretty fantastic day, wasn't it, for us? Metal stocks moving up strong today, and other stocks getting read across from yesterday's action in the US, which was pretty good as well. So, I'm going to buzz through these tonight. Still feeling a little bit under the weather. Feeling it better than I did yesterday. Just juggle some screens. So, we're just drifting back in, aren't we, after a strong open in the US? It looks okay to me so far. 1 second, I'm just adjusting things. So I'm just going to jump straight into the closing pro gaps actually. Let me just go back. Gapped up today. A lot of loss making. Closing highs. So in order of sector, loads of investment trusts today. BA went through its results, did it today? No. Yes. Yesterday, by the looks of it. Rolls-Royce, new highs on the move there as well. Amazing. Cheers, James. Just going to fly through all these investment trusts. Seems to be a lot today. Definitely over 30. Maybe over 40. Balfour BT Construction again. New closing highs on SRC there as well. So some of our big winners are closing at, you know, the highest highs in the trend for us. Halma as well. And that's why we're having a good start to the year. Through the industrial metal stocks. Investment banking. Life insurance. Oil and gas. Some good melt on, isn't there? Citius Resources. PAF there. Is it Trail Point? I know that's the question, isn't it? Depends how aggressive you are, would be my answer there. I mean, it's still being on this low here. It is a little bit crazy, isn't it? Because that's over 50% pullback. But you know, the reality is, commodity related, they can move like that. So you have to make your own decisions on that, don't you? How aggressive you're going to be with that one. If it just trended off strongly for a few days, it'd be easier to pull it in more, wouldn't it? So wicks, obviously, we saw it on the swing day, didn't we? And it bumbled around for a week after that. And, it's off on its journey there towards a swing move. And into swing points. Quite a few actually in here, so we'll buzz through these. Lloyd's swing point off the mean trend area there. It's not exactly a first pullback. This was the first pullback here. So, and like I've said before on these, you know, bit gappy action on Lloyd's. You know, swing day posted on this day here, I think. Yeah, and you know, you're not going to get filled the way I get filled the day after, but you know, you can front run the close, can't you? It's the only way when it works out like that. With these investment trusts again. Forward return to pre-tax profit. This one, by the looks of things, a bit light on its forward numbers, to be honest. SRC, just solid forward numbers on this one. Though we've known that for a long time. Fly through these. First property group. Not much happening in that one by the looks of things. Tune, obviously, I talked about this one today, and it's on volume this morning. Obvious sort of base cheat candidate. So do your own research and all that. It's the best base we can find at the moment. And that was the last, wasn't it? One off. View to center. Yeah, light on its forward turnover, this one, but it's kind of mixed. Moving on. And that's what I see tonight. I'm not going to drag it out tonight. But I'm just going to bring the GTRS over and we're just going to have a look down. These are in pullback areas, so ALTN and SRB still. SRB's not that far in there. LT, and just after that, you know, hammering in the metal stocks. What else? SLP still in, showing us below the 50-day there. DHC. Yeah. Lloyd's the only sort of one what looks like a swing stock. But we go lower down there, see what else we see. Let's look at senior. This pressing highs, choppy trading one. I remember it as being quite a good stock, but yeah, always been choppy. I'm just remembering this base back in 2013 and the swing, because it was a great swing market back then, all the way through into 2014 was really good. Yeah, not much jumping out at me tonight, but obviously Tune being the one what jumped out at me today. But I've covered that already. So I'll leave it there. In the end of day, what did we have in the end of day tonight? Oh, it's senior win. Oh, hang on a minute. There's a couple I haven't looked at here. Win stay, choppy, small cap, low flow, and chemicals, specialty chemicals. I never know what this one does. Always been a choppy one. ING, Magenta, moving on, high. Rolls Royce, Tune is in there as trend pullback long, and CMCX. Let's quickly have a look at that one. Yeah, nothing for me to see there. Just the 6-month highs. Okay, I will leave it there. See what tomorrow brings. Cheers all.